How to download Google Chat on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rose and I'll walk you through how to download Google Chat on Android device. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. Google Chat is a communication service developed by Google, initially designed for terms or teams and business environment. It has since been made available for a general consumer. So if you want to download Google Chat, all you have to do is launch Google Play Store on your device, and with the help of the search icon and the search bar, type in Google Chat and use the search icon at bottom right corner of your screen. So you need to find out the official Google Chat application, which is this. Now tap on install button, and then depending upon your internet connection and a space that you have on your device, it will take a few time to download. Once it has been downloaded, it will appear on your home screen where you can easily tap open Google Chat application on your device. So with this, we can successfully download and install Google Chat on your device. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.